today here on the night of May 2025. We have Suolaketie at Tingsvägen 636. You can also watch the Stakel's PNC here. This has been built by ValmetSchlieren in 1974. This is fees for 344. Modernized in 2006 by Kone with double fixtures, but just one ride because the doors on the upper floors are not completely original.
Yeah.
The best is for Porvoo 20 grams. It's also in Gammelbacka, one of the suburbs of Porvoo, Finland. And there are 6 floors here. Still has the older Kone connection.
Yeah.
This makes me think this is when I started the beginning of 2006.
Yeah.
Here's the door. But, the chime is not in use. Oh, yeah. Here it was in use.
Yeah. I already pressed 6-4.
Or the 5th.
Yeah, yeah.
This is not 6th. The codes were difficult here.
Yeah.
And there are 3 more deltas also in the, what was the name of that suburb? I don't know, like.
Estimäki.
Yeah, Estimäki, which I can try.
That's
That's it.